So after pressing new chat over there on the left, we are now able to enter a prompt down in that bottom text box. But before we write anything, let's take a look at the different connections that we have with the extensions. So I'm just going to go ahead and type the @ symbol there in that text box. And here you can see we have Gmail, Docs, Drive, YouTube, and then below we have those disabled options that we went over in settings. For the first example, we're going to use @Gmail, and I'm going to ask it to find all emails that are utility bills in the last year. Also, I would just like to note that it's really important to be specific with your prompts and ask it exactly what you want. That way you can have more success with your results. After I hit submit, it's going to start searching through all of my Gmail account. And one thing I like about this is that once it's done, it will give me a brief summary, but then it's also going to connect all of those emails, and I can open them up just by clicking those links. And you can see here where they're from and what they are. This is just a really great way to find an email quickly without having to go through your entire email yourself. You can even do this mid-conversation if you have to find something quickly. Another feature I want to point out is you do have listen here. So if I click this, it will actually read the summary to me. And one thing I like is that it doesn't sound robotic at all. It's actually very natural and easy to understand.